What's up everybody, I'm the Lego Boy and today I am doing a YouTube video of a tour of my Barn Owl camp. This is a really cool campsite. I've been here for one night. Everyone else has gone to PGL, so I was allowed to stay off school for a night and a day, 2 days I mean. So over here, I hope you enjoy it. So over here is the campfire. We use this a lot. This is just my stick to point with. That's plasticine. So here's our campfire. We had a barbecue here, and we had our marshmallows here, right? And back. Oh wait, no, not back here. Around here is our pod. Our pod is really nice. It's my favourite room, and here it is. It's a little echoey in here. Now to come to think about it, it's a really nice room. It even has a fireplace over there. Over here it has a few bowls and paper plates and normal plates. Over here is a biscuit jar and some biscuits, a radio. They give you 2 boxes and matches. Here's our lovely view. Fire blanket, I love all this safety, and sticky foam, my favourite. And down here a few dominoes. I've been playing with those earlier. So yeah, that's a really good thing. And here's the campfire, indoor fire. There's some paper here. And it's just a really cool place over here. Right, which one should we go to next? I think over here now. Into my nan's bedroom. So over here in my nan's bedroom, I'll just let the camera woman get in first. That's my mum, by the way. Right, so I'll probably be going a little quiet now, guys. That's why I'm speaking up. Right. So, whoa. We're in here. It's a little lopsided. Is that the right word? I think so, yeah. So over here is a little. It dips down a little, and down here is a few cubby beds. That's not mine, that was here before. Whoa, don't be careful, I don't want this tipping. So there's 2 cubby beds there, very low down. There's nice photos on here. And it's, you're stuck. Over here is a nice lamp, on and off. Wait, was my face just in? Good. Right, so yeah, it's just a really good place. Oh, and the banners. They're really nice as well. Very hot in here though. Alright, on to the next room, and that is my room. I think my nan's clear. Oh, and the view. Nice view. Right, now let's go on to the next room. Oh yeah, out here is our little table. Whoa. Out here's our little table. Very cute. It's got the flowers on. Now on to my my friend Max over there, also known as my teddy. Right, this is the outside view of my bedroom with my mum, which is holding my camera. Her name's Donna. Say hello, Donna. A little shy. Right, so this is a really cool bedroom. Of course, it's ours, that's why I picked it. It's very pink in here, I've just noticed, and I don't know how I didn't notice before. Lots of fire extinguishers, lopsided again, but down here is the best. You can get, don't get my face, you can get under there. Oh, crud. You can get under here. Oh, and there's a massive hidden table, which I can put my stick down on. So yeah, it's really, really cool. Right, on to the next room. Can you get down? Oh, that was an awkward view. But I'm not going to say anything else. Right, so over here is our kitchen. Wait, can you pause it for a second, guys? Alright guys, sorry about that. So here's our little kitchen outside. Oh yeah, the chimney's over there. Let's show the chimney. All the way up there. Really cool, very high. Right, we've got a little cover over this little kitchen outside. Oh, I don't want my face in. Right, so yeah, that's really cool. And over here is our little kettle area. You have to light a fire on here to get it all going. There's lots of pans. They provide you, pardon me, with lots of matches, a few sponges, and over here is the just cover the face. Here's the fridge. Is my face in it? Right, better not be. So here's our fridge, or should I say freezer. Right, now we can go on this way. Wait, I can actually just go in front of the camera, but just use the back of my head, can't I? Oh, okay. So in here is our bathroom. We'll be very quick in here. Here's the bathroom. I'm not going anywhere near that mirror up there. I don't want to get my face in it. Oh no. Get away from me. And there's the shower. We had a lot of problems with that shower. It's all connected to this one pod. Right, so back here is lots of wood for a massive campfire. Over here. Down. Yep, that's it. There's where the fire is. Well, where all the wood is. So I pretty much think that's it, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this not magnificent video, but this video. And I got that the wrong way round. And I hope you enjoyed this brilliant video. And not brilliant video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a brilliant day. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.